Are you here to get an Upwork profile sample that converts visitors into buyers? Are people visiting your profile and it's a super long resume style thing that you think people are reading, but at the end of the day, no one's actually buying? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you the exact process and an example of what a profile looks like that has been designed to convert at a high rate and gets people to buy from you consistently. So why should you listen to me? I've been on Upwork since 2011. Here's an email that I got from Odesk, which is what it used to be called. And I've helped hundreds of people get started on the platform as well. Here are some of them right here. So what people do on Upwork is they try to write this super long profile, which is like a resume, to try to sell themselves as if it's for a job, or to sell a service as if it's some kind of sales page. And I have to disagree with that. A profile is not really a sales page or anything like that. It is solely designed to get people on sales calls. You're not going to be able to close high ticket sales, $1,000 to $20,000 on Upwork, which is entirely possible, by the way. You're not going to be able to close those by writing a profile trying to sell the service. Okay, it's very unlikely to do that. What is likely is to convince people by providing proof and such to get on a call with you. Once you have them on a sales call, then it's possible to close any size sale as long as the lead quality is good and you're selling the right thing. So forget all the resume style stuff and forget trying to sell yourself and the service and listing all the things you've ever done. What we're here to do on the profile is called single focus proof branding, which is focusing on a single thing that you've achieved and that your business has achieved, and then providing proof for that and having a call to action, okay? So that's the general framework that we're going to be using to write this profile example that I'm going to give you. So first, you need to start with an emotional hook. You really need to know what your buyers or potential buyers are interested about. The whole profile needs to be about them and what they care about and what they want. As long as you understand that and you can optimize this based on real data from sales calls that you get on, you're going to be able to create a profile that actually converts compared to all the profiles that just do nothing or convert into very few sales calls. So an example of an emotional hook is, have you been scrolling through Upwork and there's all these freelancers who promise you the world but never deliver? Well, this is not one of those profiles. Most likely, the buyer that is going through your profile has scrolled through a bunch of profiles and has scrolled through a bunch of proposals as well, and they feel that way, right? So whatever they feel stuck with, whatever they're aggravated with, you can call it out and help them solve it. Why is this different? Well, we're here to help you solve your problem. Let's say you sell Google Ads, which is driving traffic and converting the traffic on your site based on Google Ads. So then you provide proof. So why should you consider this service and not a different service? Here are some factors or some facts that my clients are saying and have experienced. Here are case studies, here's quotes from them, here's even a video. So the next part should be what you're gonna get. Now, this is designed as a benefit or benefit of a benefit. It's not really designed to sell anything. So basically you say, you're going to get on a call with me and then we're going to figure out the following things. Who you need to be targeting, which is your ideal audience, and so on, right? And on this call, again, because we're focused on the call, on this call, I'm going to provide you with complete clarity as if I'm already working with you so that you'll be able to form an exact strategy for your Google Ads and get started immediately, be it with me or without me. We'll be able to figure out if we're a good fit to work together. And then you have a call to action. So here's what we need to do next. Click the big green button and then contact me and then send me a time that you're available to talk. And then we'll be able to arrange this call and potentially even get started with your Google Ads. So it's a very simple profile. It's maybe 1,000 words, maybe a little bit less, with lots of proof and a very simple structure, okay? You can also use the single focus proof branding style of headline, which is $1 million plus in revenue generated last month for my clients, for example, right? Single focus, meaning how much money has been created for clients. Proof, you have testimonials, case studies, and so on. And in terms of branding, that is your thing. That is what you're focusing on, and that is your brand. You do Google Ads and you generate this much money for clients, which is, again, what they care about. They don't really care about the ads and stuff like that. So that forms a single focus proof branding style of headline. And then the rest of the profile can serve as a way to prove it, but also to sell the actual call not the service and not yourself as much. So the next video to watch is this video right here on how to do proposals. It's a little bit similar to the profile, but it has a slightly different structure. So click right here to figure out how to do Upwork proposals. If you have any questions, comment below and I respond to the best questions myself.